update, guys. We're in the Elko 68 Super Sport. Tossed in the MSD billet distributor, the blaster coil, the Holley 750 double pumper, and we're out. She's warmed up. She's got a little bit of a miss. I think we got a little problem on number 7 somewhere, but we still need to change the plugs, and we haven't done it yet. But she cuts out a little bit, but she'll come clean above 2,500 RPM. Let's give her a run. Woo! Yeah, she's a runner, guys. She's a runner. She is a runner. That's why that sticker's on there. Stand on it. Get those 4 barrels hitting. Let's do another little roll on here. We'll get up around this corner here for a second. And we promised some burnouts, so let's light up a little burnout up here. Looks like a good area as any. I hate to go back. I usually don't ever go back, but I got to see that burnout. Let's see what we got up here, guys. Nice fresh ones. Oh yeah. All right, let's do a roll on, stand on it. Let's get her up to like 2 grand. Rev limiter set at 55. All right, here we are, down about 25, 30. Turbo 400 with the shift kit, guys. All right, well, we're back in town. That's our update on the MSD. That's a definite winner. That Holley 750 double pumper is hitting hard. We got some more tuning to do. We'll see if we can clear up that number 7 cylinder and get this thing running the way it's supposed to. But for right now, I'm not complaining. But yeah, a little bit of tuning here and there. We're gonna go change the spark plugs. We'll do another update. Probably get Cyrus out of here and film these burnouts from outside. But we got to save some tires too, though. All right, we'll see you on the next video, guys.